Okay, pastor, ikaw naman ang wanted. Huwag mo akong damahin dito. Prosecutor ako, tapos, you know, as a lawyer, I would say that you can go to court and fix your case and post a bail bond. That would be an option. But if you do not think that you will get a fair deal with this administration, because you have been talking about Marcos and everything, huwag kang lumabas dyan sa Tamayong. Nandyan lang yan sa Tamayong. Malaki lang ang Tamayong. Alam mo, ganito yan. Let me educate all of you. Ang Tamayong, malaki yan, sa loob maraming bahay. Make sure na sa isang bahay nandyan siya. Because for every bahay, it should be a different search. Hindi mo pwede ma-search ang bahay na yan at maghanap ka kay Pastor Kibuloy. You would have to get another writ. Iba-iba yan. Marami yung bahay na yan. So, mag-ikot siya dyan, magkabulan kayo. By the time na matapos na napagod ka na, you will become a member of the Jesus Christ. The kingdom of Jesus Christ. Alam mo, ang buhay ng tao, tayo naman simple lang eh. Katoliko, trabaho tayo, prayer, that someday, pag namatay tayo, maawaan Diyos, punta tayo ng langit. Di ba? O gusto ninyo sa impyerno? Impyerno ang gusto ninyo? Bahala kayo. Ngayon, kahanap ninyo, hindi ninyo mahanap. It's ewan ko, Tamayong malapit dyan sa malaki ang Tamayong. Malaki.
Follow up, Mayor, may mga speculation kasi that someone is
nasa aking bahay ko.
studying
Look, kain mo ako magkatapos, mag-uwi ako. Sama tayo doon sa bahay ko. And if you can find Kibuloy there, I'm raising the ante. Ano ba magkano bibili nga 100? I'll make it 200,000. Or 300. Or even 500. Ibuhos ko na lang yung pera ko para maligaya kayo kung makita niyo siguro sa bahay ko. Okay, pastor, ikaw naman ang wanted. Huwag mo akong damahin dito. Prosecutor ako, tapos
you were designated mayor as administrator of Pastor Kibuloy's properties. Is this true?
Nalipat ko na sa lahat ko. Sa pangalan mo, gusto ka? Ano? Saan mo gusto yung parte dyan na ano? Bigyan kita.
So, totoo yun, Mayor?
Administrator, in the sense that when he is not around, ngayon, probably in hiding. So, somebody has to see the management of the kingdom. to preserve the kingdom, not to go into waste. Sayang, nandyan na yan. Kingdom of God yan. Bakit mo yan?
Clarification na Mayor, the properties in the church also.
As a matter of fact, may tulugan ako dyan sa kingdom. Sa likod ng parang kapilya nila. May kwarto ako doon. Gusto kang pumunta doon ngayon. Kasama lang kailangan ko. Babae.
Thank you, Ruth. Alan, nakaipautala pa? Okay.
Loob lang sa gikuha ni Ma'am Ruth. But, Mayor, are you also convinced na possible itong sinasabi ni Pastor na may extraordinary rendition na mangyari kapag kasi magpagita?
Well, hindi ko masyado pinag-aralan yan kasi American law yan. But it is possible may rendition. Pero tingin ko, if we will post a ban and talagang kung available, kung hindi available, remains fugitive. Pero pag available, tapos he gets his liberty. I don't think that there will be a at sabi ko naman sa kanya, huwag ka maniwala niyang rendition ng Amerika. At kung meron lang, tawagan mo ako.
So you'll advise him to come to the open?
Again?
You advise him to surrender, if that is so. You would advise him to surrender if that is so, na wala rendition na mangyari.
Wala ako kasi pastor naman, edukado na tao. Alam naman niya na ano. Hindi kami nag-istorya ng buhay niya. About arrest and everything. Kung anong gusto niya sa buhay niya, di okay lang. Ngayon, tanongin ninyo ako, saan si pastor? Gusto niyo malaman talaga?
Yes.
Ewan ko, pag ano lang siya, tama yung, yan lang naman ang refuge niya, sanctuary. Wala man siya ibang bahay. Yan lang. Tama yung ano. Wala akong nalaman na ano. He is comfortable in his tamayong sanctuary or itong kingdom compound niya dyan sa airport banda. Frankly, yan talaga ang nalangan ko. Na kung nakapunta na siya ng Manila o saan na lugar, wala akong alam kung may mga bahay siya doon. And I must profess my ignorance.
Is it possible that you will also be assassinated?
Ano ba?
Assassinated because extraordinary rendition. He said that it's possible that he will either be abducted or assassinated. Do you think that it's possible?
Maybe because he's hiding. That if that is his belief.
But why would the U.S. want to kill him?
I don't know.
Thank you, Jermelina. Last two questions na Mayor from Sheila Lisondra of the XRP and then Maya Cadillo.
When was the last time you talked with the pastor?
Again?
When was the last time you talked with pastor?
Kanina.
Is it possible po na sa inyo siya mag-surrender?
Hindi ko siya tatanggapin. Hindi ako ang authority. Hindi na ako dadala ng warrant.
Mag-ask nag-ask ng help po siya sa inyo po?
We had dinner downtown kanina. Hindi naman kilala isa sa mga restaurants.
Thank you, Sheila.
At saka walang pakialam yung mga waiter, basta magbayad ka lang.
Maya Padillo, Mayor.